Yes. Kasi di ba, yung mga thermal imaging system available, may mga colors yung each component. So sa thesis nyo, need to be green, red. Ano yung pinakamainit, ano yung pinakamalamig? Based on the color.
From what we have said, we dalawang modes of spectrum yung thesis namin.
Pag sinaksak mo siya sa thesis nila.
So sa standard mode, one color is equivalent to 0.2 degrees. For example, from 0 degrees to 0.2. That's one resolution. Sa high resolution mode yun. Pero sa standard mode is that it's an integral per 1 degree. From 0 to 120. So that consists of 121 colors. For high resolution, 172 colors. Because we have used the temperature from 30 to 70. Knowing na application namin is for electronic circuits, yun ang standard operating temperature ng mga electronic circuits from 30 to 70. Yung reason namin bakit namin ginawa yun is para magkaroon kami ng mas detailed, tsaka mas maliit, mas sensitive na system overall.
What a staggering answer!
Another question from Survey. We would like to know how you came up with the actual temperature reading.
Good question, sir. The answer to that is we use Fluke 179 thermocouple, knowing that, sir, first we have to establish na hindi namin kina-question yung accuracy ng thermocouple. So yun ang ginawa ng reference sa Fluke 179. Although ang kina-question namin sa thermocouple is yung time niya to scan and yung adhesives, yung reference namin, sir. Yun doon namin kinumpute yung theoretical minus the tested values from our data.
In the beginning of your presentation, you presented the cost of the commercially available data. You just mentioned the cost of the total cost of your thesis. Why did you not emphasize it?
The cost? One of our main objectives is to produce a low cost.
Hindi yung pinatika sa presentation, hindi yung in-emphasize yung cost difference ng commercially available users.
Yung purpose na yun, pinakita namin sa conclusion, 23,000 pesos, which is equivalent to $460. Yung pinakita namin sa review-related literature is more than $16,500. Pero ang focus po namin is to create a compromise, trade-off between price tsaka yung application for electronic circuits. Kung gagamit tayo ng camera ng thermal imaging ng $16,500 and up yung price, ang chances are, masasaya yung advanced features nga dahil, syempre, gumagamit siya ng videocons, pero yung price nga is too much for electronic circuit analysis. Temperature reading.
Can we have the last question?
Kapag mag-gold pa kayo, makapainom kayo.
Can you list or break down yung actual cost ng mga components? Bakit umabot dun sa total?
23,000. Firstly, sir, we have contacted a machine shop that can implement our standard frame design. It costs around $9,000. Pesos na. 9,000 pesos.
$9,000 daw yung frame.
$71 plus 25,000 shipping, equivalent to $97, or roughly around 5,300 pesos. Then for our stepper motors, we went to Tabimus Raon and looked for stalls that can produce two stepper motors at a much cheaper price of 150 pesos each. Second hand, but it's a second hand motor, but still it can function perfectly. And for the others, the circuitries, they're obviously low cost. That's resistors and the ICs, capacitors, and the webcam. Another thing is a webcam for capturing the image. It costs around 1,500 pesos. It's a creative webcam used for internet webcam interface.
Okay, thank you very much for the thermal imaging. Okay, last question.
Since the thesis is part of your business, why did you not include it in the cost?
Miss, we have an assumption na for given a high-tech for electronic design companies such as, kunyari, mga Amcor, kunyari, fabrication, we are assuming that they are PCs. So, yun nga, this, kakabit na lang, any PC can be interface.
I mean, in the actual cost. Because if it's part of your thesis, then if we're going to compare with the commercially available server camera, it should be included in the cost.
Miss, we must take note na yung cameras po need to be connected to the PC2 in order to display the resolutions.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much for the thorough interview.